share your screen, please.
I think it closed. Okay, there's Hover.
Okay, now go to wix.com.
Is that this one?
Just refresh. Okay. Just click the website. Just click the connect domain. Yes. Then just put your website name again here. Let's go. Then just click yes, I own this domain. Then just click continue. Then just click find here the provider. 1 second. Scroll it down. Select different provider. Scroll it down and just select the hover from here. Hover. Yes, just log in your hover account.
Oh Lord! Again? What is it?
Okay, and you need to put the password.
Hang on a second. I don't know what it is. I do not know what it is. Okay. What happened?
Okay, let's see.